Hi guys, welcome back to our channels. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to sell items on Facebook Marketplace. So Facebook Marketplace is an excellent platform for selling your items. So to get started, you need to use the facebook.com, the official website of Facebook, or you can also use the Facebook application if you have it installed on your device. Click on the Marketplace icon from the top of the screen that is between the Friends option and the Gaming option if you're using the website. This will take you to the Marketplace section. If you're using the mobile device or the application, you'll also get the Marketplace icon in the top of the screen. Just access it, and on the left side, you can create a new listing as well. For that, click on this plus icon with the option Create a New Listing. Now choose the type of the item that you're selling. I'm going to go for item for sale. Now let's add details to the listing. First of all, add a clear photo of the item that you want to sell. Enter a clear title for your item. Then enter the price. Also select the category. You can also add more details to attract more buyers like bracket style, gemstone, brand, material, and description. Now select the availability. I'm going to list it as a single item. Then also the product tags and the location. Select the media preferences as well. And you also have the option to hide it from your friends. You can toggle this option for that. Now click on next. Click on publish. Wait for a few minutes or seconds for it to be fully published on the marketplace. After publishing, you can scroll down to your listing and you can mark it as sold as well. You also have the option to share it among your friends and other social media platforms. And if you click on this three dot, you'll get three different options of view the listing or delete the listing or view the messages that have been sent for this specific item. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.